Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Litecoin from your Phantom wallet to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're cashing out for investments or just managing your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will get you there in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have both Phantom wallet and a Robinhood account set up. Phantom is primarily for Solana, but with 2025's updates, it supports cross-chain transfers for assets like Litecoin through integrated bridges. Start by opening your Phantom wallet app or extension on your device. Log in securely and navigate to your Litecoin holdings. You'll see a list of your assets. Select Litecoin from there. Next, head over to your Robinhood app or website. Go to the crypto section and find your Litecoin wallet address. This is crucial, so copy it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Now, back in Phantom, hit the Send or Transfer button for your Litecoin. Paste the Robinhood address into the recipient field, and double-check that it's correct. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Before you confirm, enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which might vary in 2025 due to blockchain updates. Once everything looks good, hit Send and wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Robinhood account to confirm the Litecoin has arrived. If you run into any issues, Robinhood's support or Phantom's help resources are great places to turn. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Litecoin. In conclusion, staying on top of crypto transfers keeps your finances flexible. Always prioritize security, like using hardware wallets for larger amounts. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.